Alright peeps, got another trade recap video. This is for yesterday. I didn't have enough time to record yesterday, so we're running it back today. Took one trade, so gonna quickly run through what I was thinking and yeah, some thoughts and what I kind of did. So headed into the day, I'm gonna be honest, I really had a pretty loose bias. I didn't really like where we were in price. We were pretty choppy. And just overall, I didn't have a clear direction. I honestly didn't really know where we were wanting to go, so which is absolutely a-okay. We had an hourly fair value gap that we were inside of at open, which was right here, and so pretty much my conditions coming into the day was, well, if we're going to displace through this with volume, then I'm probably going to want to be more bullish. If we respect it, kind of get a little push lower towards these Asia London lows, probably going to be leaning more bearish. And the case was that we closed above it. We got actually a really big push. This was pre-market. This was the first hourly candle of the session. So after this happened, usually just looking for some kind of retracement into ideally a 15-minute gap to then see a continuation long higher, which we did not end up getting. But the trade I took was actually down to the 15-minute gap because we had not tapped into it yet. So, um, let me see here. Okay. So where we were in price, we had just taken this previous day high as well as we took it on ES as well. And then we have this hourly order block right here that we are respecting in the moment, okay? So we're respecting this hourly order block right here as well. We just swept out previous day high. We're starting to get a little bit of consolidation. Usually when we have a big push like this and we start consolidating, that's a good indicator we might want to roll back down, come see a retracement, and then, push higher, whatever that else you want to do. But it's usually what I look for. And we were starting to get this little bit of consolidation going on, and that was what I was looking for. So I was just scaled out a lower time frame, kind of look for some other indicators that we might want to go lower. So this is the short I ended up taking. So the first thing was we had this 3-minute inverse right here on this very first leg right here, 3-minute inverse. So this is kind of like the first sign to me that we might want to see a little push down to this unfilled 15-minute, as well as we had this unfilled 5-minute down there as well. That, and then when we came back up, we respected this 3-minute for value gap right here. We put in a, I think we had a like small little internal SMT right here with ES, and we had this nice strong inverse on this 1 minute. I entered right off that. So I'm I'm gonna go ahead and say what I'm thinking right now is that I was pretty confident, actually quite confident that we were going to at least go to this internal low right here, and I would be able to go break even. So that if we were still bullish and we wanted to still go higher and we did not want to come back down and tap into this 15-minute gap, that we would come take this low and then, rip higher. Exactly what happened, and is why I have a break even system, honestly. So entered off that. Let me see. Put the executions on. Oh, they're not gonna work right now. That's okay. Um, took it off the inverse. Went break even right here. Um, got break even. No biggie. Was trying to, keep losses minimum. Not trying to lose all my capital. So, really good management, trade management, for me yesterday. Um, What I could have realized in the moment a little more is that we did actually have SMT right here with ES, and ES did tap into the 15 minutes. So that being said, NQ I guess didn't necessarily have to, which I still wanted to see it just because we were pretty well extended. I mean, as you can see, we just kind of going straight up. So I really just did want to see a retrace, and I love targeting these unfilled 15 minutes. But since of like how bullish we were, I probably should have just waited and tried to catch along if anything, because usually when we have these big moves like this, just are continuing up or continuing down, obviously want to be looking for the trade that is in the said direction that you are going. Um, but ended up working out break evens, no big deal. Journal your trades, learn more from it, and implement it into your trading for next time. But that is all from yesterday. I will catch y'all later if I have another trade taken from today. Other than that, I'm out. Stay safe.